making a video how to install a 12-volt power for a radar detector on a beautiful e34. This is for all the e34 people, maybe even the older BMWs. So this is my dome light that goes here. So I got to just pry it out from this little clips here. Just stick something, a flat screwdriver, a little piece of prying bar tool, this metal plastic, pull it out, and then when you go in here, you gotta look for a 12 volt. Now I bought this from eBay, which is a shorter one that you can use from your rearview mirror. I think that's what they call it. This one right here, mirror link. I got it from eBay. So then you grab your 12 voltmeter. I got a cheap one for $100, and I measure the voltage. Now there's little holes there. There's a piece of metal. Those have power. That little metal down here has power. These are grounds. These are grounds right here. The brown wire is ground. The red wire is positive, and this brown wire is also ground. So I stick mine in here. The other thing you can also do is you can also solder these wires if you like. So what I did, I'm just gonna stick them in this too. This is ground and this is positive, and then I just wire tied it to the original cables to hold them in place so they don't come out. And once again, you can also solder them if you like, and if you don't want to, you don't have to. And what I'm going to do is actually grab a little bit of hot glue and pour a little hot glue here, just so that they don't make contact, because these are pretty close to each other. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue here just to keep them separated. That will also keep them from coming out loose or coming off, which they shouldn't come off due to the fact that they're wire tied right here. But I'm just going to do that just for peace of mind. And once you do that, you run your cable through here, push it out, and it'll come out. I usually like to put my radar on the very top for the fact that people can't see it. People can't see it, and I don't have to be like removing it and pull it out that if you were to put it down here on the dash. Now, which is better way for the radar detector to work, I don't know, but that's just me. So I usually know my cars, I usually run it up top. On this one, in my E6550, this is where I have it. So any questions, hit me up. Thank you.